Well, Bridget Bartlett here. I'm the local business marketing, training, and support specialist with Builderall. Today I'm going to show you how to use this really cool feature inside the Cheetah Builder called Video Gallery. There are many ways you can use this on your website to establish yourself as an authority, like the Builderall CEO, Eric Salgado, has done here. He's highlighted some episodes of his 5 Minutes with the CEO, which are amazing, by the way. But you could also use this to promote different affiliate offers, services, or even courses. The cool thing about this app is that you can click each video and you'll see a panel open and give you more information about the video, but you'll also see there's a call to action for every video. This can be the same call to action or different for each panel. There are tons of possibilities. In today's example, I'm going to take my own 5-day digital marketing bootcamp and create a video gallery for my website. So let's get started. I've already created a blank page to start building my video gallery. So the first thing that we need to do is add the element. So we'll go to Elements here. We'll go down to Video Gallery, and we will drag it onto our panel. Go ahead and center it. And you see when we left click on the video gallery, we have some edits here, so we can save the element, like I said, to our personal elements and then add it to any website or page that we want to add it to. We can edit the element, which we'll talk about in a few minutes. We can center it here on the page. We can configure the element, and we can duplicate and hide and delete. So the first thing we want to do is configure our element. So let's go ahead and click the gearbox here. And the first thing we want to do is click the pencil to edit. Now we need to change the title of our video gallery. So I'm going to call this 5-Day Digital Marketing Bootcamp. And you'll see we have 4 videos already built in here. So let's go ahead and just edit the first one. So let's upload the image, and you'll notice it says the ideal size for this thumbnail is 320 by 180. So that's important to note when you're creating your images. Let's go ahead and upload the first one. And I already have them added to my gallery. So we'll just go ahead and select the first one and save. And then we want to give our video a title. So we'll call this What is Digital Marketing? And we want to add the link to our video. So since I have my videos already uploaded on YouTube, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the link here and then paste it in the field. So I'm just going to highlight, click Control V, and then save. So that's all we need to do to edit our first video. Let's go ahead and do the second one. We'll upload the image. It's video 2. And we'll go ahead and give our video a title, Setting Up Your Online Business. Now we need the second link, and we'll paste that there. Now we'll go ahead and edit the third video. Go ahead and upload the thumbnail, and we will change the title, and we need to change the link. We'll just paste here. Let's go ahead and edit the fourth video, upload the thumbnail, and we'll change the title. And I'll just copy the link to my YouTube video. And then we will paste the link here and Control V to paste. But you'll see we don't have a 5th video added, and that's what we need for our 5-day digital marketing bootcamp. So all we need to do now is just click Add Video, and we'll go ahead and upload the 5th thumbnail here. And we'll give our video a title. And we need the video URL, and we'll paste here and then save. So now we have our video gallery completely configured. So let's save, and let's go ahead and save our website. Let's go ahead and preview. So here's the preview of what this looks like live. You'll see if you click here, we still have the Builderall logo here and some text and a call to action. But as you flip through the videos, I guess my old thumbnail is still showing up. I had to change this when I changed the thumbnails in the course, but sometimes it takes a little bit for the new one to show up until YouTube actually changes it to the new thumbnail. But just know these are all changed, and soon the browsers will recognize the new thumbnail, and then it will be congruent with all of this. So just ignore that. But as we flip through, you'll see it shows the new thumbnail. So now what we need to do is change this information so that when someone is watching my video and I'm showing them the Builderall platform, then they can actually just push this button and then they can do whatever I want them to do. So if I want to send them to another affiliate offer that I'm showing them in this video, I can have that be my call to action, or if I wanted it to be Builderall, or if I wanted to call them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I could do any of that here in this section, and they are never leaving my website. So you can see, we always talk about you want to keep them on your website. When you get a website visitor, you want to keep them on your website. That's the goal, because the longer they're on your website, the longer they're engaging with your brand, and the more likely they are to actually convert to a paying customer. So let's go ahead and edit these panels here so that we can choose our calls to action and brand our video gallery. So let's go back to the editor and let's go ahead and choose this video first. And we will go ahead and add my logo here. So we'll just go ahead and edit element, general settings. Let's change the image. We'll change it to my logo. There we go, and save. And then we can call this day 1. And let's go ahead and can put our title here. So setting up your online business. And I like the line there. So we'll just go ahead and change this button and we'll say, move that down a little bit so I can edit. So we'll edit the button here by clicking Edit Element. And you'll see this little box pops up here. This is completely your own preference. So if you like to edit from this box, you can, or you can open the side panel here. So it's whatever works best for you. So if you go back and edit element, then the side panel changes to be the edits for the button. Let's go ahead and go to headline, and we'll change call to action to be upgrade. And we like the font because that's my default font for my website. We could also go ahead and just change the mobile font 16. And now we just need to set the call to action. So let's go ahead and set the link. And we'll choose a page on the website. And I actually have a page called Upgrade, and we want it to be in a new tab. So we'll go ahead and select. And the reason I chose a new tab is because when you're thinking about if someone's watching your video and you want them to upgrade, you may not want them to lose track of the training. Okay, maybe they want to upgrade or just see what the upgrade offer is. So you want them to still be able to access the training without getting lost or skipping away. But if you click upgrade, it opens a new window. They can check out, see if they want to upgrade, but then still go back to the tab where the training is. So my preference again is just when I'm choosing upgrade to go ahead and have it open in a new tab. So let's go ahead and do that there. We could change the text here by double clicking in the box, and we can say, in this video, I am going to walk you through the process of setting up your business online in just 1 hour. And we can go ahead and change the link here. This is actually a button here, so let's go ahead and just change the website to be my website. And let's stretch this out just a little bit. And we can set the link here. And we can have that go to my home page since that's the home page of my website. We could change the color if we wanted to. So let's go ahead and actually make that one of my branded colors. So we'll just paste the hex code here. But what if we want to change the background? Maybe we don't like black. So let's go ahead and just left click here. We'll go to Edit Gallery again, and let's go down to General Colors. And let's change this color to another branded color. So we can make this orange. And to change the panel here, we can left click in the box, and then we can click Edit Element here, and then General Colors. And you see we could also change this to another branded color. So let's go ahead and choose, let's just try this out and see what it looks like. Okay, so now we have it, looks pink, which is a little bit tacky, but you get the point. It's important to know how to change those things, that you can customize all of these. And let's actually go ahead and just change our upgrade button to another branded color. So we'll just choose orange. And we'll just paste that hex code here. And let's go ahead and save since we've made enough edits. And we can do that exact thing for each panel in each video. And let's go ahead and look at the live view. So you can see what a great option this is to be able to quickly add a course in here or services. Like for example, in the lawn care business, if I wanted to show a video of us doing chemical treatments, then I would have that video here and I could say, here's how we do lawn treatments, and then, click here for a quote, or I could make this another service and have it be mowing, and then I could say, click here for a quote, maybe have our terms here. If I wanted to promote a affiliate offers and it was a 4-step lawn treatment, I could have the video here of maybe us adding the chemicals to the lawn, and then I could have my get a quote here button or make an appointment. So there are lots of options that you have available to be able to add this to your website, and again, just establish yourself as an authority, but also create great content and intrigue on your website. So let's go back to the editor because I want to show you how to save this as a personal element. If you left click in the video gallery and you go to Save Element here, you can actually call this Video Gallery Course, Save Personal Elements, and then if you go over to Personal and then go to Elements and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see that now we have this saved and we can pull this in on any website that we want to pull it in on. So you just drag it over here and you'll see now we have our personal element. So now that you know how to create your own video gallery, I hope I have you thinking of some ways you can use this awesome app for your own business. So until next time, go build it with Builderall.